Burping King thing again? People are coming!
Aren't you super slow? Is this wonderful?
Oh yeah.
Hey, let's go up there. Okay, ready, good? I'm wrapping the ear now. Let's climb! Don't look at my shirt.
Oh, I will. Oh yes, I'm awesome at cameraing. Hope everyone enjoys this.
You better enjoy this. I'm gonna punch you.
Start walking heels. Oh gosh. Where are you? There you are.
We got talent.
What do you think burping is like?
That's talent.
Thank you. Looking around, it's so ashamed. People are staring at me.
I wonder why.
I can't imagine.
I have a wedgie. Oh man. Wait till we got to see how tall this thing is.
Let's see if we can do a dance move. Dance moves. Corrupt my burping sound.
Oh my. Truck's in the way. Truck is in the way.
Okay. What? Oh, you don't have to get out my dress right.
Oh, let's see how big the truck is.
Okay.
Because I am right here at the tire. Oh my. That's me at the tire. Okay. Oh jeez.
I wish how long I can go for. That was nothing.
Pitiful.
It'll take a few seconds.
In between sentences, right? No, wait.
I was like, I'm gonna talk about truck. Dang, flap it.
I got that. Ah, bug! Yeah. I have to pee.
You just peed?
No, I have to.
Let the bell roll.
Ugly bug! No. See that bug? Go away.
Okay, wait. Feel something coming on.
It landed on me!
Take your hair off now.
Yes! Oh, my stomach hurts.
See, we are on Titan. I try not to color up any of the letters here. Ooh. Titan, yes, okay.
The Titan. Big truck.
Come on, that could have been longer. Oh! Okay.
You're lucky you don't live here.
I'm gonna try and suck in through my nose. Okay, come on. Okay, I don't live here, so none of these people know me. That was awesome. Oh, upside down. Let's see,
What you got done?
Baker.
Come on! That's awesome!
Ew. Oh, strings.
Develop. The only problem about developing, it sounds great, but it smells horrible.
Oh. Did
I rule. I had to laugh.
Jake, are you proud of this?
Yeah, I could have went like 10 times longer, but I think laugh.
Jake, yeah. Ah.